In this video of 1 2 step, let's take a look at how to activate your credit card of public bank. If you have just got your credit card linked with your public bank, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate it. Now basically there are two ways that you can activate it. I'm going to show you both of the ways that you can do it. So first of all, open up your web browser and just search for public bank credit card activation. If you do, you can find the link which says activate your PB card and make sure that it is the website of public bank. Just click on this link and it's going to take you to the website of public bank. Now through this section, if you scroll down, you can see there are two methods that you can activate your card. The first one is by logging in to your online banking of a public bank, and the second way is through the ATM machine. So you can just follow these steps. The easier way would be through the online banking of public bank, but however, if you don't yet have an online banking, you'll need to sign up first and you can activate your card. But if you don't want to do that, you can also do it from the ATM machine. So whether doing any of these methods, you can just follow along these steps which are given and your card will be successfully activated. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, make sure that you comment down below. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.